Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a power bank that is perfect for travel. This is airline approved, and as you can see, it is nice and compact. So this was sent over by a company called INIU, and this is the box that comes in, and then you're going to get the device itself. So give you an idea of the size here. It's about 4¼ inches by 2 3/4, and it's only 3/4 inches thick. So, and then it has a built-in Type-C cable that is just connected here, magnetic, which also works as like a little lanyard, so it's easy to carry around. But like I said, this is airline approved, so it makes it easy to travel. So whether you are at an airport all day and your phone's gonna maybe die from just talking or watching movies, or maybe you're at an amusement park, very lightweight, easy to carry around, or the beach or the park. Basically, it's going to give you plenty of power to power up your devices because it has a 10,000 mAh battery built into it. So what does that mean? Like my brand new phone, the Galaxy Ultra S25, it can charge it up 2 more times. So plenty of battery life out of it. Now, like I said, it does have built into it a nice fast charging Type-C cable right here connection, but it also does have another Type-C port and a Type-A port on the side, and then the power button to turn it on. When you turn it on, you'll notice it will have a nice little digital screen, which will tell you how much battery left is on the device itself. It does hold a battery charge for a very long time, so if you are traveling or whatnot, you're not utilizing it, it will hold a battery charge for plenty of months and stuff like that. So as far as it also does pass through. So if you are charging your phone, like this is plugged into a wall adapter or your computer, and you got your phone plugged in there, it's going to go ahead and fully charge up your phone first. And when your phone is fully charged, then it will charge the device, which is really nice. You can utilize all 3 ports at the same time. It does have that GaN technology to where it will basically distribute the power to all the various devices as need be, and so you can charge up multiple devices at once. If you are wanting to do fast charge, it can do fast charging. The cable here is rated for a 20-watt fast charger, so is the Type-C port. You can utilize this to charge up the device. You can simply plug this into your computer or wallet. Same thing with the other Type-C port if you wish. If you want to utilize the Type-A port, that is an 18-watt charging port, so it works very, very well. And like I said, this is going to work for your phones. It's going to work for your tablets, your earbuds, basically any of your devices. It's going to be good on Google, Samsung, Apple, all those fun little devices. It will work on and work very, very fast and very, very easy to use. So if you're looking for a device, basically, that's lightweight, easy to bring around with you, to keep all your devices nice and charged when you're not by an outlet, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.